Oh, great. Love that.
Couple goes, and then right, that's great. Thank you.
Was voted the Kia WNBA Eastern Conference Player of the Month 3 out of our 4 months, and for the second year in a row was one of the top 2 vote getters in fan voting for the AT&T WNBA All-Star Game. So with that, I am proud to say thank you to Kia for sponsoring this award, and Stewie, congratulations on being voted for the second time in your career as the 2023 Kia WNBA Most Valuable Player.
I do my best to carry myself with grace and be a great teammate, and I want to be an example to Ruby about what it means to approach life with the humility and grit necessary to lead teams, to help others be great, and to win at things that matter the most. Love myself, but no. Oh, myself.
Number 30 reminds us that when you dedicate yourself
we will go back to man. We'll mix it up. Okay, we're going to mix it up a little bit here.
10,000 tonight, and just their support all season long and understanding what it is that we're trying to achieve, and we haven't been shy about what our goals have been. And New York has showed up every single game and cheered us on and held us to that standard. And so